Welcome back. Now, the trough system across the central Caribbean has weakened and we still have some lingering clouds. However, there's an area of low pressure that is in the wake of this system, and we also have a shallow trough that extends into the southwestern portion of the Caribbean basin. There's a frontal system, a cold front, that is across the northern portion of the Caribbean. It extends into the Atlantic, but we are seeing an increase in stability across most of the Caribbean this evening. We do have drier conditions also expected to emerge across much of the central and eastern portions of the basin over the next couple of days. The forecast for tonight is for partly cloudy skies. We expect the temperatures to drop to about 23 degrees Celsius in Kingston and also in Montego Bay. We're expecting northerly winds on the south coast tonight, and we are expecting an southeasterly to southeasterly flow across sections of the north. For the forecast for tomorrow morning, we are expecting partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies across most of the area. We're still having those clouds linger, especially across sections of the northeast. And then for the afternoon, it's partly cloudy with some isolated showers, mainly across sections of inland areas, particularly inland areas of eastern parishes. Temperatures are expected to reach 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. The breakdown has partly cloudy conditions persisting through most of the area. However, you can expect some shower activity in the afternoon in Santa Cruz as well as in Falmouth. We're expecting partly cloudy conditions as well for most of the north in St. Anne's Bay, in Ocherius. Also in Port Antonio and Port Maria, we're expecting partly cloudy skies for most of the day. Expect showers, however, if you're in sections of Moortown or in Cave Valley in St. Anne. We're also expecting some afternoon showers over Grange Hill and Duncan's Trelawney. Now, the next few days, it's partly cloudy across most of the area. That's on Thursday as well as Friday and on Saturday. For the marine forecast, on the north coast tomorrow, expect winds from the northeast at 10 to 15 knots. The wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting an east-southeasterly wind at 15 to 20 knots, while the wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. For offshore areas, expect winds from the east-northeast at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. For the offshore outlook, we're expecting east-northeasterlies at 15 to 20 knots on Thursday, also on Friday and on Saturday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:46, while the sunset at Negril Point is 5:52. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.